Welcome to a glimpse into the future of media in Ras Al Khaimah. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce to you Saud bin Saqr Scholarship Program for Broadcast Journalism and TV Production. This program isn't just an educational course, it's a pioneering step towards nurturing a new wave of media talent, equipped to shape the evolving landscape of content creation in our region and beyond.
I am Maram Mahmoud.
And my name is Azzal Ali.
And today we are exploring the innovative digital strides made by Ras Al Khaimah.
In collaboration with the Sheikh Saud bin Saqr Al Qasimi Foundation for Policy Research and the Ras Al Khaimah Government Media Office, we are creating a platform for aspiring broadcasters to learn, innovate, and lead.
Nabras Abu Zidane, senior translator in RAG-DED. I'm a content writer, musician, and fan of all of arts. I decided to be in the podcast journalism and TV production program because it will be a great opportunity to hone my skills in media in different areas, in writing, in reporting, in photography, and filming.
In our quest to bridge the gap between academia and real world, our journey began with an inspiring session from Mr. Faisal Hashmi, a distinguished filmmaker from the UAE. His insights opened a portal for our students into the intricate world of content creation. Ms. Sonia Wakar, a master of hairstyling and makeup. Her in-depth sessions not only covered the practical aspects of looking camera-ready, but also instilled a deep understanding of the aesthetic nuances of on-screen presence. And then came Mr. Uwaisi, a powerhouse in Arabic broadcasting. His session was a blend of language finesse and on-camera prowess.
Rina Sifin Nasr, a mass communication student at AURAC. My expectations for this program were really high, and they were met and exceeded even. Thanks to Dr. Saber, Dr. Susanna, and Dr. Hanan, we were guided throughout the whole project, from script writing and editing and filming. We were giving feedback, and we had the chance to re-edit and then submit.
The final stories are a vibrant showcase of this learning journey, from mastering the basics to executing detailed, captivating narratives.
فقط عن آلاف السنين من الحضارات،
حيث يندمج الفرص الاستثمارية مع الروح الريادية.
اكتشفوا التنوع الاقتصادي والثقافي في الإمارة الجميلة جدا.
Hello everyone, my name is Azzal Ali. I'm a student at the American University of Ras Al Khaimah, and my connection with the group was like amazing. I was able to feel the vibe between all of the group members in Arabic and in English. We were like trying to help each other throughout the shootings and looking at their footage and them looking at ours, and like it was also like nice like meeting them and like, you know, interacting with them.
I am thrilled to share their work with the world and equally enthusiastic about the next cycle, and definitely offering even richer opportunities to enhance the media landscape of Ras Al Khaimah.